A firm believer in peace. I think war of words is more hostile, not war, isn't it?
I think so. I think I have an extensive enough vocabulary to be able to fight my battles with words alone. I try not to resort to physical violence. Most times I succeed.
No, I think you quite succeed most of the times. I think
Let's keep that impression going.
एब्सोल्युटली लेकिन वॉर कॉमेडी एक बहुत ही नया जॉनर है. नॉट एवरीबडी हैज ट्राइड इट. तो इसके लिए आपने कुछ आप लोग का थोड़ा स्केप्टिसिज्म था कि कुछ डाउट्स थे कि क्या होने वाला है, चलने वाला है.
आई थिंक कि जहाँ तक कॉमेडीज़ बनती हैं इस कंट्री में, मुझे लगा कि शायद किस टाइप की कॉमेडी होगी ये. इट्स अ सीरियस सब्जेक्ट, तो वॉर सब्जेक्ट को लेकर हम उसका मतलब क्या मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं या क्या होने वाला है. इनिशियली आई वाज आल्सो लिटिल वेरी ऑफ द फैक्ट कि फराज एक नए डायरेक्टर हैं, तो क्या वो ये सेंसिटिव मामले को ठीक से संभाल पाएंगे या नहीं. बट देन जब वो घर पे आए, उन्होंने नरेट किया, इमीडिएटली आई फेल्ट कि ये बहुत ही मतलब बेहतरीन नया कॉन्सेप्ट है. और जिस तरीके से उन्होंने डायलॉग सिचुएशंस लिखे हैं मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे. और मुझे लगा कि ऑडियंस को बहुत मज़ा आएगा. मतलब हंस हंस के वो सीट से गिर जाएंगे क्योंकि इतने फ़नी सिचुएशंस हैं. और कुछ बहुत ही फ्रेश है, बहुत ही अच्छे एक्टर्स हैं. और रियली मुझे उसी वक्त पता था कि मैं इस फिल्म का एक हिस्सा ज़रूर बनना चाहूँगी.
यू नो जहाँ तक वॉर कॉमेडी की बात आती है और प्लेइंग अ जर्नलिस्ट की बात आती है, मुझे ये भी पूछना है आपसे कि क्वेश्चंस पूछना आसान होता है आपके लिए कि आंसर करना?
इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्वेश्चन. नॉर्मली जो क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं मीडिया लोग, तो मेरे लिए काफ़ी आसान होता है. कभी ना कभी एक ऐसा सवाल आता है जो थोड़ा सा मतलब या तो नो कमेंट या तो डेंजरस टेरिटरी. तो इट रियली डिपेंड्स. बट आई थिंक कि ये फिल्म करने के बाद आई हैव बिकम मोर सिंपैथेटिक टू द मीडिया. आई अंडरस्टैंड कि कितने प्रेशर्स होते हैं ऑन द मीडिया. इतने सारे चैनल्स होते हैं और आपको ही वो न्यूज़, एक्सक्लूसिव ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ हासिल करना है. यू हैव टू गेट दैट वन बाइट. और आपके बॉस कहते हैं कि आप ऑफिस वापस बताइए, घर नहीं जा सकते हो जब तक कि आपको ये बाइट मिले. So I understand the pressures, I think, a little bit now of reporting.
Absolutely. Somebody understands our pain. War of words, we were talking about that in the beginning. How many times have you had successful war of words with, let's say, Saif Ali Khan? चलो. And आप जीती हैं at the end?
I think कि भाई के साथ we don't really, क्योंकि एक फ़र्क होता है, क्योंकि वो मुझसे इतने बड़े हैं, 10 साल का फ़र्क है हम दोनों के बीच में. तो अल्टीमेटली आई विल have to bow to his experience. Not that he takes me very seriously though. So I don't think we've ever had a war of words, but we have happy banter and we come to a happy agree to disagree kind of space.
ठीक है. War of words with your mother. I think everybody has.
My mother will always have the last word because it's very difficult to convince her that she may be wrong. I don't think that she'll be able to deal with that very well. So we let her have the last word.
War of words. This one you're winning it. War of words with Kunal. ये तो obviously आप ही जीतते हो.
If आपने बोल दिया तो मैं क्या बोलूँ आपके सामने. But I have to say I'm more. He's far more of an action person when it comes to expressing himself. Like he needs to use his hands and feet and slam the odd door. And I like to think that. But words are different. When we fight or we have a war of words, his words tend to be, he uses Hindi a lot and I tend to use English a lot. So we lapse into what we're comfortable doing. So then sometimes I try to fight with him in Hindi and then he definitely wins because I don't especially if we're going into that hole, which is very bad to do, but sometimes we start swearing at each other and it's very funny to hear me swear in Hindi.
Yeah.
I start laughing myself.
I'll have to ask you to do one.
You can't answer.
But I just that's okay. I'm going to beep it. The simplest of swear. I have to.
No, the funniest was when I said, at some point, like he was like, when I'm always like, you get out, and he says, you get out, and at some point, I think I started saying something like, नहीं मेरा हक बनता है, and I was like, I'm saying मेरा हक बनता है. It sounded really alien to my own. But even if we swear at each other, even if I call him a dog, for example, we always say aap. We never say tu or tum. So I'm always like, aap kutte ho, which is a lot more polite than saying tum kutte ho. No, I've never called him a dog.
I think so. The trick is to say aap and then get away with it.
and then it's all polite.
Then it's all okay with it. Okay, war of words with Kareena. I don't know if you have any.
No, I don't think we've been very. I mean, I've really got to know her, especially over the last year. I feel a lot closer to her, and I think that she would say the same thing to you. We've had some wonderful in-depth discussions where she's given me lots of advice, which I will not tell you about, but it's been very useful, and I remember all of it. And but I wouldn't even want to get to that space where there's a certain comfort level that I have with certainly with Kunal and with my mother, in less so with my brother because of the age difference, and I don't think it'll ever get to a place where we have a war of words, but I think I would defer to her again. I wouldn't want to fight with her.
Thank you so much, Soha Ali Khan. Once again, Rujhan Chatraj with camera person Kailash, Zoom.